Hey everybody, Jeffrey Way here, back with another Twitter web development quick tip. This time I'm going to show you how from within your WordPress blog post you can easily change the background of your website, and you'll find with custom fields it's much easier than you might think. So you can see here this is it's more of a test WordPress account for a framework that I'm working on. You don't need to worry about that, but let's go to our blog post and we're going to come down to custom fields and we're going to create a key. It can be anything we want. I'm going to call it BG, and I'm going to paste in a link, an absolute link to a background image. So I'm going to click Add Custom Field, and then finally we're going to update our post. So that in and of itself isn't going to do anything. We actually need to edit our code. So let's come back to Coda. Don't worry about any of this, it's all in testing, but at the very top we're going to create a new PHP variable and we're going to call it BG, and it's going to be equal to get post meta, and it's going to accept three parameters. The first one, because we're not within the loop, we can't use something like the ID. We have to reference it like so, post ID. The next one is going to be the key that we want to reference. We called it BG. And finally, the third one is going to be a Boolean, true or false. If it's true, it's going to return a single value. If it's false, it's going to return an array. Here we're going to set that to true. And then finally, the only thing we need to do is reference that BG. So within background of our body, we're just going to do something like URL and add some PHP tags here, and we're going to echo BG. Save that, come back to Firefox, refresh the page, and presto, we have our background. So if you just want to make sure that works, I have two sample pages on this little test. Whoops, let's do flexible WP. That's from a different tutorial. And if we click on a different one, you'll see it has the standard background, but if we click on the new one where we added our custom field, it has the custom background. So you'll see it's really quite easy just using custom fields. And once again, you just use get post meta, you add the ID of the post, the key that you want, and then with any style sheet, if you want to use different colors, different images, anything, you just reference it like so, mixing CSS and PHP. So for more video quick tips or miscellaneous ramblings, follow us on twitter.com/nettuts, and of course for the best tutorials and full screencasts available, visit net.tutsplus.com. Thank you guys, bye.